Hello traders, welcome to again my channel Binary Master. Today in this video I will be share with you my one of the favorite Bollinger Bands trading strategy. This powerful strategy gives you 99% accuracy and amazing trading results. If you use this strategy properly like me, you can recover your all losses. So don't skip the video, watch until end. Today in this video I will show you how to use this strategy. I also take live trades using this strategy, wipe my live balance. We also worldwide binary signal provider on Telegram channel. Join our free Telegram channel for copy my trades, and don't forget to subscribe my channel or press the bell icon. Okay, now let's start the trading. First we need to add two indicators on chart, Bollinger Bands and RSI. Now let's add Bollinger Bands indicator. Let's open the Bollinger Bands indicator. Now we need to set up. We change here period level is 10. Now let's add second indicator RSI. Now let's check how this strategy works. Here you can see on Bollinger Bands middle line cross a green candle, and RSI also going uptrend at same time. After this two indicator confirmation, we can place here a buy trade for next 1 minute. Now let's explain lower trades. Here you can see on Bollinger Bands middle line cross of the red candle, and RSI also going downtrend at same time. After this two indicator confirmation, we can place here a sell trade for next 1 minute. Hope you understand. For better understand, watch my live trades. Now I will wait for good opportunity. Okay guys, here we find a good opportunity for sell trade. Let's place the trade. I placed here a $3,000 live account trade. Let's wait for results. Our trade will be a successful winning and profit also add on live account. Let's search another one. Here we find a sell signal. Let's place the trade and wait for results. Our second trade is also a winning trade. Let's search another opportunity. Here we got a buy signal. Let's take the trade and wait for results. Again, we are a winning trade on third signal. Let's search another opportunity. Here we got a buy signal. Let's take the trade and wait for results. Again, we are successful winning trade on fourth signal. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to join free Telegram.